So yesterday I was coming back home from my big bro's place. It's a 40-kilometer drive each way, but anyways, when coming back about halfway through, there was a sound underneath the car. It was like as if I've driven over something. Uh, Nothing happens. I thought it was a piece of ice. Came back safely. This morning, right before going to work, I just started my car, and well, I think my car is trying to tell me something. Yeah, traction control, ABS light, and check engine light. Wow. So I'll take the car to work. It's just a 2.5-kilometer drive. I think I'll make it. The only thing I'm worried about is whether the car might go into limp mode. But I don't think this is the kind of problem that will cause limp mode. Anyways, once I'm there, I will do an OBD scan and see what's wrong with the car. But I am already suspecting it's my front right ABS sensor, because it's been causing problems. Anyways, wish me luck. Interestingly, I just connected the OBD scanning tool, haven't done anything, and the check engine light disappeared. Okay. Let's see what it will say. Yep, here it is. ABS. Okay. Read fault codes. Left rear wheel speed sensor. Okay. So I thought that it was the front, not the rear. Alright, it's been a couple days, the car is back, and as you can see, it is fixed. So what did they do? At first, they replaced the ABS sensor. That didn't fix it. In fact, after going along the wires, they noticed that the wire is damaged. I suppose the day before, the sound I heard underneath the car must have been, I don't know, some sort of animal or whatever that might have damaged the wire. I don't know. But it's fixed now. But that day when I drove the car to the service station was interesting because, of course, that day we had lots of snow, temperature below freezing, and of course ice on the roads. And half of that way to the service station is downhill. And when going down that hill, when I press the brakes just a little too much, of course the wheels lock up. As I said, it was interesting. But for real, I mean, driving with a faulty ABS sensor can be quite dangerous. Not only you can lose your ABS, ESP, and maybe some other safety systems, you can also lose your brakes. Like a friend of mine who owns a 2014 or 13 Passat, his ABS sensor was malfunctioning, and sometimes when he was pressing the brakes, immediately when he touched the pedal, ABS kicked in. And of course, no brakes. He had to let go of the pedal, press it again, and only then the brakes would engage. That is scary and, of course, quite dangerous. But that's going to be it for this short update. If you liked it or found it useful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.